A Symphony of Unity, exploring harmony in language. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, a symphony of unity. This expression is not just beautiful to hear but also rich in meaning. We'll explore its significance, usage, and how it can enhance your understanding of English. So, let's unravel the layers behind a symphony of unity together. A symphony of unity combines two powerful words to create a compelling image. Let's break it down. Symphony originally refers to a complex musical composition involving an orchestra, where various instruments come together to create harmonious sounds. Unity, the state of being united or joined as a whole. When combined, a symphony of unity metaphorically describes a situation where different elements, individuals, or groups come together in a harmonious and cohesive manner, much like a well-conducted orchestra. It's about creating beauty and strength through diversity and collaboration. This phrase is a prime example of how English uses metaphors to convey complex ideas in a relatable way. Metaphors like a symphony of unity help to illustrate abstract concepts by linking them to familiar experiences, such as listening to music. Enhance communication, making it more vivid and impactful. Encourage creative thinking by seeing connections between seemingly unrelated things. Understanding and using metaphors can greatly enrich your language skills, allowing you to express yourself more effectively and appreciate the depth of English literature and conversations. A symphony of unity can be used in various contexts. In social and cultural discussions, to describe how different communities or cultures come together harmoniously. In team settings or workplaces, to highlight effective collaboration and teamwork. In personal development, to represent inner harmony and the balance of different aspects of one's personality or life. This phrase is especially powerful in speeches, writing, or any form of communication aimed at inspiring unity and cooperation. We hope this exploration of a symphony of unity has not only expanded your vocabulary but also inspired you to think about the beauty of harmony in language and life. English is full of such beautiful expressions that can enhance our communication and understanding. Keep learning, keep exploring, and let's create our own symphony of unity through language. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.